up, and you're gonna move around. You can just leave your stuff where it's at. But if you are born between the months of January and March, you will be sitting at this red table. April through June, you'll be sitting at the blue table. July through September, you're at the purple table. And October through December, you're at the orange table. And I'm going to number you off, and I want you guys to remember your numbers for me, okay? So you're 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2. So just remember your number 4.
Go right below it.
There you go. Okay. So Pistol Pete wants to know, has anyone ever received an allowance or have saved money for something they really wanted? Yes. No.
Yes.
Maybe. What form of money did you receive your allowance in? Anyone tell me?
Like dollars?
Yeah.
Did you get any like quarters? You were like, oh, here's 4 quarters.
I got mine in dollars. I got
Dollars?
$2.
$2? Did you get them in like $5 or $10? Yeah. Okay, did you save it or did you spend it automatically?
Spend it.
Spend it? What'd you spend it on?
Friday.
Probably.
My little sister always saved hers, but I never did.
Nah, I didn't either. When you went up to buy something, so someone said bubble gum. Okay. What'd you give the cashier? Did you give them bills? Did you give them coins, exact change?
Usually I give them coins because that's what I found in my mom's purse. My mom would have me like clean out her purse and whatever coins I found at the bottom I would get to keep. So
Anyone else?
that's what I found. Okay, does somebody want to come up here and show me what a dollar sign looks like?
I'm gonna say purple table 2. Good job.
Would orange table number 4 come show me what a cent sign looks like? Okay, that was really bad. You did it. Okay, will blue table number 3 pick one of these and match it? Good job. Would red table number 1 match one?
Yes.
Purple table number 3. Orange table number 1. And then just the volunteer for this one. Okay, blue table number 1. Oh, Mary. So everyone's familiar with what these are? do some word problems. And you can work them out with your manipulators on the table, and then we'll call somebody up to come show us how you would hand a clerk your money. If you were to go to the bottle of Coke. If you were to go buy a bottle of Coke and a piece of gum, and the clerk tells you that it is $2.50, what would you do?
You only have that, or you can use
You can use any combination.
So they change that $2. So there's only one of them?
No, it's all you can. There's more than one.
Okay.
It's like different strategies. Like say you only have quarters.
Okay.
It's like how would you do it on that? If you only have like 2 quarters and 15 dimes.
No.
Okay, does anybody want to share a way that they got $2.50?
Don't say it out loud. Come up on the board and show us.
Our way is on the board.
Is it on the board? There's like
They move. There's more than
there's
just
more
one.
than just one.
It's still not. We use that though.
Oh well, don't use $half. Just use what's on the board.
Oh, we didn't know we had these ones on the board. Okay, we'll change it. Love it.
Did
Is
you?
there another way that you could get this? You can just tell us now, because I don't think there's any more room on the board.
We did $2 and then 2 quarters.
And then $1 or quarters, and then the 2 quarters.
Okay. Did anybody not use any dollar bills at all? You just use
10 quarters.
do what?
10 quarters.
Okay. Okay, if you were to go to the gas station and buy a bag of chips that were $1.50, a piece of gum that is 20 cents, and a bottle of pop that is $2.25, what would your total be when you check out? Do I have a volunteer that wants to come and write the amount on the board? Does everyone agree with $3.95? What are some ways that you could present $3.95? $3 bills.
3 quarters and 2 dimes.
Is there any other way that everyone do the same one?
I use $3 bills, 7 dimes, and 1 quarter.
Any others?
You could do 15 quarters, 1 dime, and 1 nickel.
Okay. Okay, your parents gave you $10 to spend at the t-shirt shop, and you buy a t-shirt that costs $7 and a keychain that costs $2.65, how much money would you have left over?
You can also use scratch paper if you need help with that.
Okay.
Anybody got it? Would you like to come write it on the board?
How much do I have left over?
Mm-hmm. Does everyone agree that you would only have 40 cents left over? No. Anybody else have another? No. Does everyone agree with 35 cents? Oh, good. How did you know how much money you had left over? I was out like looking at a receipt, but
I counted up from, what was it, 965 up to like the next dollar.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
did anybody do another strategy?
I like took $7 away from 10, and then I took $2 and then 65 cents.
Anybody else?
I think I did the compensation. I think that's what it is. Where I just knew that like it would take 40 cents. Like if it was 260, then it would take 40 cents to get there. But you had the 5 cents, so it would take 35.
Good job.
I'm so happy to hear you guys use these different strategies. Sorry, just had to interrupt.
Okay, here's another. If you did one of your siblings' chores and they paid you $8.25, what are some ways that this amount could look like?
Let's see that.
Yeah.
Does anybody want to come up here and show me how your sibling presented their allowance to you? So I know mine probably would have given it to me in like all pennies.
That's
So,
ours
but
too.
don't
So did ours.
don't put all those pennies in there. It's a lot of pennies. Did anybody else have another way that their sibling gave them their allowance?
We had 800 pennies, 2 dimes, and a nickel.
Okay.
So we just used 8 pennies to represent the 8.
Okay.
Represent the 100. We don't like that many.
Did anyone else have a nicer sibling? No? Everyone's sibling, hers gave them 800 pennies? Okay. Okay. You went to the Cowboys football game on Saturday, and you had $10 to spend. You bought one hot dog for $3.50, one pop for $2.50, and one cotton candy for $1.75. How much money would you have left over? that you guys have your sugar fix on your pop and your cotton candy, how much money do you have left over?
$2.
Would somebody want to come illustrate that on the board for me?
Just write it.
Yeah, just right.
Okay.
Does everyone agree with Hannah? If you had this amount left, how many more cotton candies could you buy? If your parent allowed you to have another cotton candy? One? How much you have left over after you had one? So you wouldn't really be able to buy anything.
Maybe that is their cheap there.
I mean, this is a little cheaper than our football stadium, so. Okay, now we're gonna play a game. Do you want to explain it? Sure.
Yeah, we're gonna play who has what. And what Allie's gonna be passing you out some cards, and each person's gonna get 2. And it's gonna have a number amount on it, and it's also gonna have coins on them as well. And what you're gonna do is make sure no one around you sees it. And the first person who has start on their card is gonna. Hey, can I have one of those? First one, this person who has start is gonna say, I have blank, who has this, and you're gonna match up together. So the coins you have on your card, you're trying to find the person who has that amount on the dollars. Everyone understand?
Yeah, we're gonna have to give more out then. Next.
Thank you.
There's another one next to you.
Okay. So who you guys can get up, move around, but who has start?
I have the first start card.
Oh.
Who has 27 cents? Somebody has 27 cents. Like it's going to be like the amount of coins on your bill,
Oh, not the.
not the number.
Oh, I think I do. It's the picture of the coins,
Yeah.
right? And then I say who has
Mhm.
the. Okay, who has 75 cents?
I do. Who has 15 cents?
I have 15, who has 23 cents.
I do. Who has 35 cents?
Oh, I do. Who has 40 cents?
Oh, I do. Who has 56 cents?
Oh, I do. Okay. I have 56 cents. Who has 12 cents? Again.
Who has 90 cents?
Who's what?
90.
Who has 7 cents? Anyone have 7 cents? No, I don't.
Oh, I do. Who has 62 cents? I do. Who has 88 cents?
Oh, that's me. Who has 42 cents?
I have 42 cents. Who has 17 cents?
I vote.
Who has 17 cents?
Oh, me. Who has 47 cents?
I have 47 cents. Who has 22 cents?
I do. Who has 9 cents?
Oh, I have 9 cents. Who has 33 cents?
Oh, I do. I have 33 cents. Who has 76 cents?
I do. Who has 21 cents?
Oh my gosh.
Get out of here.
What was it?
21.
I have 21 cents. Who has 37?
What? Sorry, what was it?
37.
Oh, I have 37 cents. Who has 4 cents? I have 4 cents. Who has 51 cents?
I do. I have 51 cents. Who has 11 cents?
I have 11 cents. Who has 60 cents?
I have 60 cents. Who has 25 cents?
Oh, I have 25 cents.
Who has 82 cents?
Oh, I have 82 cents.
Who has 66 cents?
I have 66 cents. Who has 16 cents? I have 16 cents. Who has 26 cents?
I have 26 cents. Who has 13?
I have 13. Who has 95?
I have 95 cents. Who has 31 cents?
I have 31 cents. Who has 6 cents?
I have 6 cents. Who has 71 cents?
I have 71 cents. Who has 91 cents?
I have 91 cents. Who has 55 cents?
I have 55. Who has 49?
I have 49 cents. Who has 78 cents?
I have 78 cents. Who has 30 cents?
I have 30 cents. Who has $1?
I have $1. What again? Let's play again.
Okay, now we're gonna pass out the little quiz. It's called Thinking Cap Time.
You can go back to your regular seats.
Maybe we should
You're so irresponsible.
Is that really like that's fun.
It's okay.
We did that in teacher rating.
Me too.
Words.